Have you ever paused for a moment standing in front of your refrigerator and wondered how that crunchy, tangy pickle found its way onto your shelf? It's easy to take for granted, but the story of a pickle is far more fascinating than you might think. Each jar holds a tale that stretches from the earth to your table, a journey that's as much about tradition and science as it is about taste. The adventure of a pickle doesn't begin in a bustling factory or a high-tech lab. Instead, it starts in the open air, under the golden sunlight, in fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. Here, rows upon rows of vibrant green cucumber plants soak up the sun, tended by skilled hands and watched over by generations of farmers who know the land intimately. But not every cucumber is destined for the briny bath that transforms it into a pickle. In fact, only a select few make the cut. Farmers carefully sort through their harvest, inspecting each cucumber for the qualities that make a perfect pickle. Salad cucumbers, for example, might look appealing, but their thin skins and watery flesh mean they simply can't withstand the pickling process. If you tried to pickle them, you'd end up with a soggy, flavorless mess. Definitely not the satisfying crunch you expect. That's why pickling cucumbers are a breed apart. They're shorter, with a distinctive bumpy texture and a tough, resilient skin. These traits aren't just for show. They're the result of years of careful breeding, designed to create a cucumber that can hold up to the rigors of brining and fermenting. Inside, their flesh is dense and compact, packed tightly enough to stay crisp and crunchy even after weeks or months in a salty, vinegary bath. That satisfying snap you hear when you bite into a pickle? It's all thanks to the unique structure of these special cucumbers. The journey begins long before harvest with the planting of tiny seeds in carefully prepared soil. On commercial farms, every detail is managed for success. Soil composition, irrigation, and sunlight are all optimized to give the cucumbers the best possible start. Farmers use a mix of traditional wisdom and modern technology to nurture their crops from seedling to maturity. When harvest time arrives, timing is everything. Cucumbers must be picked at just the right moment, usually when they're about 4 inches long. Too early and they haven't developed their full flavor. Too late and they become tough, filled with seeds, and lose that signature crunch. Workers move quickly through the fields, measuring and selecting only the best. The smallest cucumbers are left to grow a bit longer, while oversized, seedy ones are set aside. This careful selection ensures that only the prime candidates make it to the next stage of their journey. It's a delicate dance between farmer and nature. Weather, soil, and even the timing of the harvest can make or break a crop. Farmers must constantly monitor conditions, making adjustments on the fly to ensure a successful yield. Once harvested, the cucumbers are quickly transported to processing facilities. Here, the magic of modern food production takes over. Specialized equipment, rapid logistics, and food science all come together to transform fresh cucumbers into the pickles we know and love. Every step is carefully controlled to preserve freshness and flavor. Behind every pickle is a team of dedicated people. Farmers who nurture the plants, workers who harvest and sort, scientists who perfect the brining process, and factory staff who ensure each jar is packed with care. It's a true collaboration, blending age-old techniques with cutting-edge technology. So, the next time you reach for a pickle, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on. From the first rays of sunlight in the field to the cool shelves of your fridge, every pickle is a testament to hard work, innovation, and a love of good food. Ready to see where it all begins? Let's head out to the fields and witness the humble beginnings of a mighty pickle. When cucumbers reach their peak size and ripeness, the clock starts ticking. Farmers know that this is the critical moment. Every hour counts. If they wait too long, the cucumbers can become overripe, lose their signature crunch, and even start to yellow. The window for harvesting is incredibly narrow, and missing it can mean the difference between a crisp, delicious pickle and a soggy disappointment. So, as soon as the cucumbers are ready, the entire farm springs into action, working with precision and urgency. Massive, state-of-the-art machines sweep methodically through the fields, their gentle mechanisms designed to pluck cucumbers without bruising or damaging them. These harvesters are marvels of agricultural engineering, able to cover acres in a matter of hours. As they move, they carefully lift the cucumbers from the vines and deposit them into large hoppers, ensuring that each cucumber is handled with care to preserve its freshness and texture. Speed is absolutely crucial at this stage. The moment a cucumber is picked, it begins to lose moisture and, with it, that signature crunch. Workers immediately inspect the freshly harvested cucumbers, sorting out any that don't meet strict quality standards. Only the best, crispest cucumbers make the cut. This rapid inspection process ensures that only premium cucumbers continue on their journey to becoming pickles. Lined up at the edge of the field, trucks stand ready, engines idling. There's no time for storage or delays. Every minute matters. As soon as the hoppers are full, cucumbers are transferred directly into these waiting trucks. The goal is to keep the cucumbers moving, minimizing the time they spend exposed to the elements or sitting in bins. The entire operation is a finely tuned relay with one clear objective: get the cucumbers from the field to the factory within 24 hours. This tight timeline is essential for preserving the cucumber's natural crunch and flavor. Any delay can compromise quality, so the process is designed for maximum efficiency. To maintain peak freshness, the cucumbers are packed into refrigerated trucks. This cold chain relay is vital. It keeps the cucumbers cool and crisp, locking in moisture and preventing them from becoming limp or soggy. The cold air circulates around the bins, ensuring that every cucumber arrives at the factory in perfect condition. Behind the scenes, a dedicated logistics team coordinates every step. Using advanced tracking systems and real-time data, they monitor shipments, reroute trucks if needed, and solve problems on the fly. Their job is to ensure a seamless, speedy journey from farm to factory, no matter what challenges arise. Whether the factory is just a few miles down the road or hundreds of miles away, the mission remains the same: deliver the freshest cucumbers possible. The trucks roll out, racing against time, their precious cargo destined to become the perfect pickle. And that's the secret to a perfect pickle: capturing the cucumber's peak freshness and crunch, thanks to a well-orchestrated race against time that starts in the field and ends in the jar. At the factory, cucumbers are unloaded onto conveyor belts for a thorough wash. Powerful jets and vats of water remove dirt and debris, crucial for food safety. Next, human inspectors and machines sort the cucumbers. Workers quickly remove damaged or misshapen ones, ensuring only the best move forward. Mechanical graders then separate cucumbers by size, which is vital for even pickling. Uniform size means every cucumber in a batch absorbs brine at the same rate. Smaller ones become gherkins, larger ones are sliced for chips or spears. This precise sorting guarantees consistent texture and flavor in every jar. It's a simple, ingenious solution to a complex problem. Now for the real magic, brining, where cucumbers become pickles. There are two main methods: fermentation and quick pickling. Fermentation uses saltwater brine and natural bacteria, transforming cucumbers over weeks into classic deli pickles with complex flavor. Quick pickling, more common in stores, packs cucumbers in jars with hot vinegar brine and spices for a bright, tangy taste. No waiting required. Both methods rely on osmosis. Salt and vinegar move in, water moves out, changing texture and flavor. This chemical dance preserves the cucumber and infuses it with that signature pickle punch. Whether slow or fast, this is where bland cucumbers become the tangy snacks we love. 13. After brining, pickles face rigorous quality control. Technicians sample batches for flavor, crunch, and appearance. Texture is tested with a special machine that measures crunchiness. Brine is checked for perfect pH and salt levels, crucial for safety and taste. Any batch that fails is rejected. Human inspectors give a final look, removing any imperfect pickles. Only those that pass every test move on to the next stage. Consistency and safety are non-negotiable. 10. Approved pickles are now shaped and flavored. High-speed machines slice them into chips, spears, stackers, or dice them for relish. Each cut is precise, ensuring uniformity for every use. Next comes flavor pickles, are mixed with signature spice blends: dill, garlic, peppercorns for classic dill, sugar and spices for sweet pickles, chilies for spicy varieties. The spices are thoroughly mixed, coating every piece. These secret recipes create the unique flavors you recognize. This step customizes each batch, turning basic pickles into your favorite snack. Time to jar the pickles. Sterilized glass jars are filled by machines, each getting a precise amount of pickles and brine. The brine must cover the pickles completely to prevent spoilage. Lids are vacuum sealed for freshness and safety. Jars undergo pasteurization, a hot water or steam bath, to kill any remaining microbes. After cooling, jars are labeled and batch coded for tracking. Now, they're ready for the world. A finished product, safe and shelf stable. The journey isn't over yet. Robotic arms pack jars into boxes which are sealed and stacked onto pallets. Palletizers create stable stacks, wrapped tightly for protection. Forklifts move pallets into warehouses, where inventory systems track every batch. When orders come in, pallets are loaded onto trucks or shipping containers. Pickles travel across the country, or the world, to reach stores and restaurants. In just days or weeks, that pickle goes from field to your local grocery shelf. Our pickles journey, which began as a humble seed in the earth, now finds its delicious conclusion right here in your kitchen. That crisp, tangy spear you're about to enjoy has traveled a remarkable path, shaped by nature, nurtured by farmers, and perfected by generations of pickling tradition. Each bite is the result of careful cultivation, precise timing, and a passion for flavor that spans centuries. From seed to snack, the story of a pickle is one of science, technology, and teamwork. It starts with a tiny cucumber seed planted in rich soil, growing under the watchful eyes of dedicated farmers. After months of sunshine and rain, the cucumbers are harvested at just the right moment for peak freshness. Then, in bustling factories, workers and machines work side by side, washing, slicing, and immersing the cucumbers in a flavorful brine. This process transforms them into the pickles we know and love, preserving their crunch and infusing them with that signature tang. So the next time you bite into a pickle and hear that satisfying snap, take a moment to appreciate the journey behind every crunch. It's not just a snack, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the joy of sharing good food. Now let's dive into some fun and surprising facts about pickles. Did you know that pickles have been around for over 4,000 years? Ancient Mesopotamians were among the first to preserve vegetables in brine, using clay jars and simple techniques to keep food fresh, long before refrigeration existed. Pickling was a revolutionary method that allowed people to enjoy vegetables year-round, even during harsh winters or long journeys. The phrase, "in a pickle," actually comes from literature. It was made famous by none other than William Shakespeare in his play The Tempest. In the play, the phrase was used to describe someone in a tricky or difficult situation, much like being tangled up in a jar of pickles. Today, pickles are more popular than ever. In the United States alone, Americans eat over 9 pounds of pickles per person each year. That's a lot of pickles. Much of this love comes from our favorite foods. Think burgers, sandwiches, and hot dogs, all made better with a crunchy, tangy pickle on top. The pickle's unmistakable flavor and satisfying crunch have made it a staple in kitchens and restaurants everywhere. Whether it's adding zest to a classic burger, bringing balance to a hearty sandwich, or topping off a hot dog at a summer barbecue, pickles are the unsung heroes of countless meals. So, whether you prefer your pickles as spears, chips, or relish, remember that this humble snack has a rich history and a bright future. From ancient clay jars to modern kitchens, the pickle has truly earned its place as a culinary superstar, bringing flavor, crunch, and a touch of history to every bite.